Are you looking for a spacious 7-seater electric SUV and interested in comparing prices, range, charging speed, towing and cargo capacities? Then you have come to the right place. This deep dive will cover Kia's ambitious e-mobility vision and the EV9's exceptional features. With detailed comparisons against its competitors, I'll show why the EV9 could be your ideal family vehicle. Hi and welcome to my channel. With 8 years of experience in automotive and e-mobility sector, I've decided to create this YouTube channel to cover EVs, charging infrastructure, and the latest development in e-mobility. If you're interested in such content, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. So without further ado, let's start. Long recognized for their affordable and unreliable cars, Kia has successfully redefined their image and emerged as a leader in electric vehicles, boasting innovative technologies and award-winning designs. Since Kia's 2021 announcement to change their name, logo, and invest $25 billion to offer 15 electric vehicles by 2027, they have consistently broken sales records in Europe and USA, even making it to the Times 100's most influential companies list for 2023 as the only automotive company. EV9, available in 6 or 7 seat configurations, is the first 3-row electric SUV from Kia. Designed to meet the needs of modern families, it offers exceptional space, practicality, comfort, and technology. According to Kia, they are planning to set new standards for this segment and expect EV9 to play an integral role in transforming the Kia brand. At present, the Kia EV9 is manufactured at the Gwangyong plant in South Korea. At the beginning of 2024, it's going to be produced also in USA at the Georgia factory. Built on the Hyundai Motor Group's EGMP platform, the EV9 stands out with a length of 5010mm, height of 1755mm, width of 1980, and a substantial wheelbase of 3100mm. It offers ample legroom across all 3 rows for a comfortable journey. The EV9 stands out with its massive dimensions. To visualize this, I've compared the length of EV9 with the top 5-seater EVs on the market right now, including the longer US version of Volkswagen ID Buzz van. And guess what? The Kia EV9 is notably longer than all of them. The EV9 impresses with its ample cargo capacity. With all seats upright, it boasts 571 liters of space, even outdoing the ID4. Fold the 3rd row and you have 1100 liters. For the maximum cargo area, collapse both the 2nd and 3rd rows, it offers remarkable 2320 liters with an extra 52-liter trunk for cables and smaller items. In comparison with the other 7-seater electric SUVs, the EV9 comfortably outperforms vehicles like the Tesla Model Y and Model X, only falling short to the Rivian R1S. The EV9's efficient space utilization really shines through these figures. EV9 was designed using Kia's Opposites United philosophy, which melds contrasting qualities to strike a balance, and hence its exterior design is sure to attract a lot of attention with its unique blend of rugged robustness and refined elegance. After being sidelined in the Kia EV6, the Kia's legendary Tiger Nose makes a return in EV9, reimagined to fit the new era of electric vehicles. The LED animated lighting grille can be personalized in one of the 5 dynamic light formations using Kia Connect Store. The rear end is accentuated with slim tail lights that highlight the SUV's broad corners. The sleekness is further enhanced by auto-deploying door handles that blend smoothly into the side profile. The EV9 also offers a range of wheel sizes from 19 to 21 inches, catering to personal preference. Stepping inside the Kia EV9, you're welcomed by spacious, minimalist interior crafted for simplicity and comfort. Central to the cabin is the panoramic wide display, combining 12.3-inch cluster display, 5-inch segment display, and a 12.3-inch infotainment system, hence making a user-friendly control hub. Taking innovation a step further, the EV9 can be equipped with digital side mirrors, replacing traditional mirrors. This feature enhances the driver's field of vision, boosting both safety and convenience. The 6-seater GT line variant also offers 2 unique options for the 2nd row passengers when stationary. It provides swivel seats that can rotate 180 degrees, transforming the interior into a lounge, or relaxation seats, ensuring maximum comfort when reclined. These options redefine the potential for in-car activities, whether parked, charging, or camping. However, it's important to note that reports indicate that swivel seats won't be offered in the US at the moment. The Kia EV9 is available in rear-wheel or all-wheel drive versions and is equipped with their largest battery at 99.8 kWh, which I estimate will have a net capacity of around 96 kWh. The drag coefficient of Kia EV9 is 0.2 to it, but it is very good considering the size of this vehicle. The rear-wheel drive variant is equipped with a 150 kWh motor, delivering 350 Nm of torque, a top speed of 185 km per hour, and a 0 to 100 acceleration in 9.4 seconds, and promises an impressive WLTP range of up to 541 km on a single charge. The all-wheel drive model steps things up with dual 141 kW motors. The baseline version offers a combined 600 Nm torque, a top speed of 200 km per hour, and a 0 to 100 km per hour in 6 seconds, whereas the GT line variant elevates the performance further by offering a combined of 700 Nm of torque and a 0 to 100 acceleration in just 5.3 seconds. There are two numbers about the WLTP range of all-wheel drive version, that is 497 km and 465 km. However, I have considered the 465 km because it is mentioned in the official selling list in Belgium. Kia had previously mentioned about a smaller 76.1 kWh battery, though no recent announcement or order options reflect this. I speculate this could be due to the less competitive estimated range of around 400 km on a single charge or realistic 320 km, which wouldn't make it competitive against other SUVs. Due to 800 volts battery architecture, Kia and Hyundai EVs are always leading the pack for charging speed. The EV9 can handle peak charging rates of 230 kilowatts. This means 10 to 80% battery can be charged using a DC fast charger capable of delivering above 250 kilowatts within only 24 minutes. As for home charging with an AC wall box, the EV9 comes with an 11 kilowatt onboard charger, allowing for a full 0 to 100% charge in about 10.5 hours using 11 kilowatt wall box. The EV9 ensures maximum comfort and stability with a new multi-link front suspension and a self-leveling rear damper for improved stability. It counters strong side winds with crosswind stability control. Moreover, by selecting terrain mode, you can drive it on all kind of terrains, for example mud, sand or snow. So whether it's a family vacation or an off-road adventure, the EV9 has got you covered. The EV9 breaks new ground for Kia by offering software upgrades via Kia Connect Store. Enhancement via software upgrades cover safety, performance and infotainment like remote smart parking assist, boost feature to achieve 0 to 100 in 0.7 seconds less, and customizable lighting. Hyundai Motor Group's partnership with Vodafone promises enhanced in-car streaming and Wi-Fi hotspot functionality soon. Safety is a paramount in EV9, offering 10 airbags covering all 3 rows. It's the first Kia model equipped with Level 3 Highway Driving Pilot, a system comprising 15 sensors, including 2 light detection and ranging sensors or lidars that cover a full 360-degree field of view. Along with maintaining a safe following distance from the vehicle ahead of it and keeping the vehicle centered in its lane, it also detects potential hazards, moving Kia closer to autonomous driving. Kia EV9 isn't just a vehicle, it's a mobile power station as it is capable of bidirectional charging. Standard with every EV9 is vehicle-to-load support, allowing it to power appliances or even other EVs using its battery and provide power up to 3.68 kilowatts, perfect for outdoor activities or emergencies. With future upgrades, it can power your entire house or even an office building. Known as vehicle-to-home or vehicle-to-building, the EV9 can even give back the stored energy to the power grid in what's called vehicle-to-grid, taking advantage of charging at off-peak rates and supplying power during peak hours, hence making it an attractive business case. Launching first in Netherlands in March 2024, these upgrades will roll out to other markets in due course, creating a truly versatile EV that just does not consume power but can also be a crucial part of the energy cycle. The leather-free EV9 vehicle represents Kia's commitment to creating eco-friendly cars. It incorporates sustainable and recyclable materials throughout, from dashboard and seats to the carpets and even the stitching. Emphasizing their commitment to sustainability, nearly 70 recycled bottles are incorporated into each EV model, and even discarded fishing nets are utilized in the standard carpets. All of this is the part of Kia's strategy to become carbon neutral by 2045. Kia recently unveiled the pricing for EV9 in Korea, Belgium and the UK, with 3 trims available in Korea: Air, Earth and GT line, and limited options in Europe. When I covered the top 10 EVs of 2023 in previous video, linked above, I tried to predict EV9 prices. Let's just say my crystal ball was a bit foggy then, but equipped with new data, I've taken another shot at estimating the EV9's potential price tag in the US market. Share your thoughts in the comments below if you've got different numbers in mind. In Korea, the rear-wheel drive Air trim begins at $61,150. However, Belgium's prices for similar trims are higher due to longer inexpensive shipping routes, insurance, and a 10% import duty. To better understand the pricing strategy of Kia and to predict the prices in USA, I have compared the EV6 prices between Korea, Belgium, and the USA. Shorter shipping routes and frequent sailings from Korea make US prices more attractive. For example, as a reference, the shipment of 40 feet container seems to be about 80% cheaper while going from Korea to US instead of Belgium, and on top of that, there are only 2.5% import duties in US compared to the 10%. For EV6, the Belgium prices are 13 to 22% higher, while the US trims are about 5 to 11% higher than Korean prices. However, the EV9 prices in Belgium show a different trend, as instead of 13 to 22% price increments, they are priced around 7 to 12% higher. It seems like Kia is ready to take a hit on its profit as the pressure on EV prices is ever increasing, especially after the 20% price cuts by Tesla in 2023. Using these insights, I've estimated the US starting prices to range between $63,000 and $75,500 excluding sales taxes. Once the EV9 production begins in USA in 2024, we could see even more competitive pricing along with the federal tax cuts. Finally, we have arrived at the grand showdown, a face-off between the Kia EV9 and other 7-seater SUVs. If you share my love for numbers, thorough analysis, and comparison, you are certainly going to enjoy it. Delving into the comparisons, let's first discuss the battery size and range of 7-seater electric SUVs. First, I've plotted only the all-wheel drive versions, but later on, you will also see two-wheel drive versions appearing in this graph. Looking at this graph, here are the three trends. Manufacturers are leaning towards all-wheel drive models over two-wheel drives. To counteract large vehicle mass, manufacturers are preferring batteries over 90 kWh, aiming to extend the range. A minimum WLTP range of 500 km appears to be a key target in this segment. And here is the biggest drawback of EV9 with GT line trim, as it can only travel up to 465 km on a full charge. But when we factor in the rear-wheel drive model, the EV9 ranges appears more competitive. To better understand the previous chart, let's look at the efficiency in kilometers or miles per kilowatt hour. Higher values here denote superior performance. The GT line unfortunately lags in this department, while the Mercedes EQB and Tesla Model Y dominate this field, though both are equipped with batteries below 75 kWh. For vehicles featuring batteries over 90 kWh, the Tesla Model X and Mercedes EQS SUV outshine the rear-wheel drive Kia EV9. Despite its range shortcomings, the EV9 excels significantly in its charging speed from 10 to 80% on a DC fast charger due to 800-volt battery architecture. This swift charging time is EV9's strength and remains unrivaled in this segment. Should Kia enhance the efficiency in future models, they stand a solid chance of dominating this segment. This graph unravels the previous 10 to 80% charging graph, further highlighting the charging rate in terms of charge kilometers per minute. The rear-wheel drive EV9 takes a narrow lead, demonstrating the importance of an efficient charging curve. I was intrigued by the charging rate of Mercedes EQS SUV, indicating that Mercedes may have successfully optimized their charging technology. When you are splashing out over $60,000 on an SUV, you expect a reasonable towing capacity, and this is where EV9 flexes its muscles, ranking second in towing capacity just behind Rivian R1S, and surprisingly gives you the most towing power for each dollar you pay, reinforcing its suitability for modern families. Finally, let's assess the financial aspect. Kia is playing a high-stakes game with its aggressive pricing strategy, aiming to carve out a considerable market share. The Volvo EX90, which is currently not being produced in USA, has a price exceeding $100,000 in Europe. Once the production commences in the USA, the price is anticipated to fall below $80,000 in USA, and until then, it appears that the EV9 could continue to lead this market segment. This brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for watching the video and for your support. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave any comments or suggestions below. I always look forward to your input and discussions. Take care and see you soon.